Hi, I'm Jeff Borland, the Managing Director at Evolution Systems. Today I'd like to introduce you to Phil Tremble from Fujifilm Australia. Phil looks after the IT and operations on behalf of Fujifilm, and Fujifilm's main critical systems run on the IBM I platform. Fujifilm previously had their IBM I co-located in an environment that knew little about IBM I, and they were looking for a partner who could not only help them with the infrastructure, but also help them with the actual application as well. So now let's hear from Phil Tremble on some of the challenges that they faced with a co-located IBM I environment and on their journey into our private cloud for IBM I and beyond.
My name is Phil Tremble from Fujifilm Australia. My role at Fujifilm is to lead the IT operations team, and I'm also the ERP administrator. At Fujifilm, before Evolution Systems, the challenges we had were our IBM I hardware was reaching end of life, nearing end of support from IBM, and we also had challenges around the backup of the IBM I system. The hosting provider we had was not IBM I aware, and they weren't managing the backups very well. An additional challenge we faced was the quality of the backups that we were doing on the IBM I. Another solution that Evolution provided was a provision of a logical partition in the cloud platform, which includes disaster recovery capabilities. The results that came from our engagement with Evolution were greatly improved backup facilities and disaster recovery capability, as well as knowing that we had a good IBM I partner on board. We also now have access to experts with our ERP system, which is a great comfort as well. Some of the key benefits we see from the Evolution engagement now are the ability to recover our data to within minutes or seconds of any data loss, compared to up to 24 hours of data loss in the previous scenario. We're only taking one tape backup every 24 hours, and that gave us a fairly poor recovery scenario. So we really wanted to improve that to minimise loss of data. Some of the key reasons we chose to go with Evolution were the fact that we knew that they were IBM I partners and experts in the IBM I area, and also the fact that they were proficient in our ERP system, and that was a big benefit as well. Some of the key benefits that Fujifilm has taken from the Evolution engagement are the improvement of backup facilities. The backups now are done on the DR instance, which means the live instance can continue running 24/7. And also the DR capability itself enables us to recover all of our data within seconds of any failure, rather than losing up to 24 hours of data. We also have all the flexibility now of the environment, so we can scale up and scale down as we need to. Some additional benefits we see from Evolution are the implementation of 24/7 real-time monitoring of our IBM I environment, and we're also now rolling some Windows servers into their hosted environment as well. Over the years I've known Evolution, I've seen the company grow into a very capable, well-disciplined organisation with superior technical capabilities. We've seen their platform evolve, and we've already benefited from some improvements in their platform at no additional charge. So we've seen extra value come through while we've been using the services. Well, when we moved our ERP system to Evolution, it was daunting at first, but it turned out to be a very good move. And I'm now comfortable that Evolution's the right partner to give us the correct level of support.